Dey salute, how una dey? I hope say una dey well and everything dey go as una plan even for this COVID. We dey well for here. Our first snow don fall this week wey pass. We get like 4 inches of snow, but the thing dey manageable, still better pass where we dey before we pack come here. So my belle still dey sweet. The only thing wey wan spoil the matter be say I get another bad news again, say 2 people don die this week. 2 people wey I know. So and the thing just dey shock. Anytime wey you hear say somebody die, e go be like say all the things wey you think say you miss to do or you suppose to do wey you no do, you suppose to call them, you no call them, all this kind thing go just dey enter your brain anyhow. This death matter no be better thing at all. E dey pain too much. E dey pain too much. And we wey we dey alive, at least they don go, they don do wetin dem suppose do here, don spend time wey dem suppose spend here, and they don go their own. Na we wey dey now, na we go dey say I for phone am last week I for talk to am yesterday I no know say the person sick one thing wey we go come dey sorry for ourselves, dey regret. Anybody wey lose person, I dey pray for now, make God give us rest of mind, make He give us peace. And if we think say we no do anything wey we suppose to do for them, make God give us grace, make we forgive ourselves. Anyway, I get one good news today. This 2 days ago, I go collect my certificate and I pass with honors. My diploma with honors. Some of una wey dey laugh me the time wey I dey go to school say na your age dem dey take go back go school. So see now, at least I no disgrace my age. I pass well. So I thank God for that one. Even for my class sef, me sef I bin think say na me old pass, but e get person for my class wey be like 72 years old. So for this place, nobody too old to go school. Why? The world dey change. The world dey change. Anybody wey wan dey relevant, better make e dey educate himself, either through school or outside school or however, but make you dey open your eye, make you dey know wetin dey go on, wetin dey happen around you, wetin dey happen for this world, how you go improve yourself to help yourself. Because nobody dey wait for anybody now. Even children sef, the wahala wey young people get, sometimes e dey pass their power. Na we dem dey look, make we still help them. After we don send them go school finish, we go still dey help them again. So if you still say you too old, nobody too old to go school. See me now, I don go school, I don finish as the thing hard reach, and I pass with honors. So make una congratulate me small. Anyway, say this COVID na another matter. Last week dem say dem go do lockdown for us, one thing. The thing don escalate, phase 2, phase wetin. Everybody sit down dey fear. Some people don go buy food, buy things, go hide for house, say in case dem do lockdown, make dem for see something wey dem go dey use for their house. No be we sit down wait. Dem no put us for lockdown, even though dem call us say we be red zone. So we dey red zone, but we no dey lockdown, which means say we fit comot, businesses fit operate. The only thing be say dem reduce people wey fit gather for one place. So that at least is good news, because e get some people wey dey talk say if dem do lockdown again, their business go close and e fit close for good, e no go open again. And no be the thing wey anybody want be that, because even if government dey help person, government no fit continue to dey help, because na tax government dey use, no be so. Even the help wey government go say dem go help you, either dem go World Bank go borrow money, or dem go increase tax for the few people wey dey work and we no want dat one. Make all of us dey work, make all of us dey contribute to the commonwealth, you know. So we dey happy for where we dey, say at least no lockdown o. So essential places still dey open, even salon, hair salon o, barber shop, all those kind small small businesses, dem allow dem make dem dey open. Because if dem no open now, na suffer be that for plenty people, you know, no be better thing. I know say for Nigeria now, no be only covid be the thing wey people dey deal with. People dey deal with all this government policy wey no dey balance. Today dem go say one thing, tomorrow dem go say another thing. Even bank now, we no even know wetin dem dey talk again, you know. To do business there now come get as e be. You go put money for bank, you no fit use am as you want. Dem dey limit this one, limit, and then dem go dey charge you all kinds of charge. Charge you monthly fee, charge you transfer fee, charge you, even dem charge me for card fee. I surprise, say which card again now, which kind card dem dey charge me for. I just tire o, I just tire. Too much wahala for that place. We wake up every day, na one story wey you no go happy to hear, na im go dey happen. The only good thing be say the people wey wan travel now, at least dem fit travel. And America don talk say all the charge wey dem dey charge people to do visa now, dem don remove am. Na only the application fee dem keep. And you know that kind thing na because Nigeria too, we too sabi, we overcharge dem, so dem revenge. But as Nigeria now comot charge now, dem sef comot charge, so everybody dey happy. At least small small good news dey enter in the midst of all this wahala wey dey ground. So I dey salute everybody o. This week God go give us grace make we carry on as we dey carry on o. And as I dey talk, we no go end this year on a sad note. No be with cry we go take end this year o. No be with cry. So make everybody dey well o. I go see una again next week. Bye.